how to fix Messenger notes not showing up again in just a few steps. First, open the Play Store and tap the search icon at the bottom center. After that, tap the search bar at the top and type in Messenger. From there, tap on the app from the results and check if an update is available. If you see an update button, go ahead and tap it and wait for it to finish writing. Right here, once updated, go back to your home screen and long press the Messenger icon, then tap App Info. Next up, tap on Storage, then go ahead and tap Clear Cache to remove any temporary files. Moving on, go back to App Info and tap Force Stop, then tap OK to confirm. From here, go back to App Info and tap on Permissions. Make sure all the required permissions are enabled. After that, press and hold the power button until the power menu appears and tap Restart. Finally, once your device boots back up, open Messenger and check if your notes are now showing up correctly. Hope this helped you out. If it did, give it a like, subscribe for more Messenger tutorials, and tap the bell for updates. See you in the next one.